you want a seed? Here. How about Nightwing? Would you like one? Who wants the pointy long seed? Hey, don't. Hey. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Oh, but... Maxie. Oh! Don't fight. Maxie. Hey, Maxie. Would you like one? Oh, wow. Stop being mean. No. Guess I got a hand for you. You really want to escape the cage, right? Certainly you'll find a way out. Oh, don't bite. Don't be mean. Maxie. Oh, it's Nightwing. Nightwing, don't be mean, okay? I'm not being mad at you. You're not a bad bird. But I just don't want you to be mean. Oh. I'm gonna open it. Oh, wow. You really want to fight. Here, I'll give you a treat so you'll never do it. How about I give you both a treat? Ah! Oh, it's a small one. Hey. Hey! That's it. That's it. No more treats, Nightwing. No more treats. No fighting. Don't fight over food. Just watch this, guys. They'll fight over food easily. Just don't worry about it. Oh, God. I really want to. Oh, wow. Ah! Wow. Nightwing. Don't be mean. What did I just say? Don't be mean. Yeah, that did. Nightwing did it. I'm gonna tip it over though. No. Nightwing, did you just make your water dish dirty? Nightwing? Maxie's a good bird. Why don't you be like him? Oh, you really want to bite the camera, right? You want to bite the camera. Do you want to... Hey, Maxie, do you want to say hi to YouTube? You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, don't. Bad bird. Hey. Yeah, that's just like... I don't want seeds. I'll give you a seed. I'll give you a seed. So I'm gonna give them a seed. Hey, Nightwing. Nightwing. Maxie. Nightwing. You get a little seed since you're a bad bird. Oh, you're mad? Okay, don't have your seed. Aw, who would say no to Nest's face? Go. Good bird. Oh! Oh! Don't. Don't fight. Hey, follow my hand. If you follow my hand, I'm gonna love you. Good, Maxie. Oh, wow. You really want to follow my hand. Hey, can I give you food for a sec? Can you move out? Okay, Maxie, get on the perch. Get on the perch. Maxie, you excited for food? Hey, move. Oh. Hey, follow my hand. Get to here. Ah! Guys, I'll just see you in a minute. I'm gonna distract them. So, there, I got it. Yes, I got it. Success. So, here's our food bowl. Sorry about the dirtiness there. That's just a seed spill. Yeah, I'm gonna... Okay, I'll see you in a minute. You excited? The food's only for Maxie. You've had enough. You've had enough, Nightwing. You have had enough. Gotta rip this box. Okay, I got it. So, here's our door. Wait, sorry about my foot. Wait, I'll just give you this sorry for I'm not letting you see. Just watch them eat, everyone. Watch them eat. If you see any stuff bad here, just go look. If you see something bad. Nightwing! Oh! Yeah, that's how to prove Nightwing's a bad bird.